The tire pressure monitor fault in your Ford F-150 isn't always caused by the obvious culprits. While 70% of cases involve low tire pressure or dead sensors, 30% stem from more complex, uncommon issues. The first uncommon cause is radio frequency interference. Aftermarket electronics like LED light bars, CB radios, and phone chargers can operate on similar frequencies as your TPMS sensors, disrupting their signals. Wheel and tire modifications present another challenge. Oversized tires alter the sensor's position relative to the receiver, while aftermarket wheels may have different valve stem angles that affect signal transmission. Software corruption within the body control module can also cause TPMS faults. This includes incorrect VIN programming, firmware bugs, or communication errors between the BCM and TPMS sensors. Finally, electrical system problems can disrupt TPMS operation. Voltage fluctuations from alternator issues, poor chassis grounding, or conflicts on the CAN bus network can all interfere with sensor communication. Understanding these uncommon TPMS fault causes is crucial for effective diagnosis. Rather than immediately replacing sensors, recognizing these complex issues can save time and money while ensuring proper system operation. Diagnosing uncommon TPMS faults requires a systematic approach beyond basic sensor checks. We start with RF spectrum analysis to identify interference sources, then examine CAN bus communication and electrical systems. Specialized diagnostic tools are essential for uncommon TPMS issues. The Ford Integrated Diagnostic Software provides comprehensive system analysis, while RF spectrum analyzers identify interference sources and TPMS activation tools test sensor communication. Solutions for uncommon TPMS faults typically involve four main approaches: module reprogramming with updated Ford software, installing RF filters to eliminate interference, repositioning sensors for better signal transmission, or addressing electrical system problems like ground loops. A notable example occurred with 2021 F-150 Lightning models that experienced widespread TPMS faults due to electromagnetic interference from the high-voltage battery system. Ford resolved this issue through Technical Service Bulletin 21-2315, requiring a BCM software update and sensor frequency adjustment, achieving a 95% success rate without hardware replacement. Prevention is key to avoiding uncommon TPMS issues. Regular software updates during routine maintenance, careful RF interference assessment during aftermarket installations, and proper documentation of environmental factors can significantly reduce the likelihood of these complex faults occurring.